Oh no. Oh shoot. I just broke this microphone. Well, I didn't break the microphone, I broke the stand by mistake. As I was turning around, I hit it with my hand and it fell off and this piece of plastic broke. Maybe I can fix it. What is going on? This is a USB microphone that cost $30 or less. It's from a company called VeGue or VeGue. But this company reached out to me like, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, said, hey, we have a couple mics for you to test out. This is our first one. This is the VM30 condenser microphone. It's a USB microphone from this company called VeGue. I'm really interested in checking out this microphone because it comes with a pop filter, a stand, and it actually looks pretty cool. Without further ado, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you around the channel. We're gonna get into it, unbox this microphone and check it out. Is it any good? Let's go. Screw it. Whatever. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna plug in the microphone back in. We're gonna do the audio test and basically evaluate the audio. Without further ado, let's go ahead and do the tests. Test number one is gonna be an audio test. How does this microphone sound? We're gonna switch to it in 1, 2, 3. What is going on, guys? My name is Give Him Chill. I'm testing the VeGue VM30 microphone right now. My name is Give Him Chills. We do tech reviews on this channel, and yeah, does this microphone sound good or not? Let's test our peas, pizza, potatoes, pretzels, and punch. That was test number one. Test number two is going to be background test. Let's see how much background noise this microphone picks up in 1, 2, 3. Silence. All right, test number two is over. Test number three, let's go ahead and test it with a keyboard. This is a Blue Switch 60% keyboard. I'm gonna put the microphone in front of the keyboard because that's how usually I would do it. Let's go in 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and review this audio, listen to it, and see if I like it or not. I'm gonna be back in 1 minute. Stay right there. Okay guys, so a few thoughts. This microphone actually sounds really good for a $30 microphone. Here's my 2 cents about this microphone. The mic itself feels very cheap, like the material, like it's all plastic. It's really easy to notice that it's just cheaper material, which is totally okay because it's only $30. Obviously with the stand breaking, which was just my fault, but overall, do I recommend the VM30? Yes, 100%. This is a great microphone. This is probably the best microphone I've reviewed under $30. I really like it. It looks really cool, really sleek. The sound quality of this microphone is really good. It's a little bit flat, but it's a very cheap microphone and you can get much better audio quality from this than from your headset microphone or from your camera microphone or anything else. Okay guys, all you have to do to win this microphone is subscribe to my channel and comment below anything you want to enter the contest. I will announce my winner in a community post and in Discord, so make sure you join that too. That was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and good luck on winning this microphone. I'll see you next time. Bye.